What is the treatment for a backwardly or a receding chin? Hi, I'm Dr. Shreya Krishna, your trusted oral and maxillofacial surgeon from New Delhi. In this video, I'll discuss how to give the prominence to a backwardly or a receded chin and what are the treatment options available to you. A receding chin can occur in three different kind of scenarios. The first is that isolated chin is smaller in size and shape, so it is just a problem of the chin. The second scenario is that the receded or the backwardly placed chin is a part of an entire receded lower jaw itself. And the third kind of scenario that we can present with is that it is not the lower jaw which is receded or the chin which is receded, but in fact it is the upper jaw which is over projected, which makes the lower jaw and the chin look receded and backwardly placed. So how will you know कि आप इन तीनों में से कौन से scenario के हैं? The first step is of course to visit your oral and maxillofacial surgeon. Do check for board certifications and do check for specializations in corrective jaw surgery. Your oral and maxillofacial surgeon does a complete facial analysis. The facial analysis includes photography, it includes clinical analysis in which we do measurements in the clinic itself, and then specialized x-rays which include your lateral cephalograms and your CT scans of the face. Maxillofacial surgeons do a complete analysis along with measurement of this entire system. After that, we find out which of the three scenarios your case fits into. Is it just the chin which is receded? Is it the lower jaw which is receded? Or is it the upper jaw which is over projected? Once we know what scenario you fall into, the treatment plan is made. The treatment plan is related to jaw surgery. It is almost always virtually planned. That means your surgery is first performed on a computer software. After checking all the measurements and ensuring that the result is as per the liking, we convert the computer planning into a planning on table using cutting guides. So let's see how will we treat you if you have just an isolated chin recession. So the answer to that is of course a genioplasty. With a genioplasty, we advance the jaw to the position which is determined by a CT scan analysis. The second is, if your entire lower jaw is receded. If your entire lower jaw is receded, you will need an entire lower jaw advancement with or without a genioplasty. And the third is, if your upper jaw is too projected, then you would in fact need nothing for your chin, or you would need an upper jaw setback, that means taking the upper jaw back, plus or minus a genioplasty. Now this was in a nutshell. Let's say you're somebody who has a receded chin and you don't know how to proceed. Do drop in a comment and we'll get back to you. Thank you.